prosperity dance. The prosperity dance symbolizes the sincere desire of the guests to show their support for the newlyweds and to help them start their new life together. So as they dance here in front, everyone, all of us may give them your offer, no? Isasabit nila.
There's a dazzling heat, mysterious way about you too. Have I only 20 seconds, 20 years? Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever? Take me out and take me home. You're my lover. Did you let our friends crash in the living room?
Alright, so we will have a sash
Make the call.
sa dinong. Ayan.
And I'm highly suspicious that everyone who sees you wants you. I've loved you 3 summers now, honey. I want them all. Can I go where
Again, everyone can actually offer them the prosperity things that you want for the couple.
take me out and take me home.
Ayan, meron pong mga envelopes specifically for this segment. You can place your offer there and pwede nyo pong pumunta kayo dito sa harap to pin the envelope to our couple. Doon po ipipin sa sasha, wag po sa balat. Masakit po siya.
To be overdramatic and true tonight. And you say all your days just on me. About every day.
Ayan, ako po ay bilang host. Bukod sa ako po ang in charge na kapagdaloy, binibilang ko rin po yung mga nagsasabi.
Okay, video na yun.
So yung mga hindi pa nagsasabi, kilala ko po kayo. Hindi, joke lang po. Ang bilin po ng couple, hanggat hindi po nagsasabing lahat, hindi ko matatapos ang kanta.
Alam ka.
Wala pong kakain.
Just barely passing through. We can do it a lifetime. We
Kamu, pwede na pwede ginikanan din. Ang ginikanan din pwede. Mga bisita na ba din? Diba?
There's only